If you need to change the email address on your Zapier account, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. I'll also show you what to expect during the confirmation process, so you can update your account safely and without confusion. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look at the top area of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where your account options are stored, including your personal settings and profile information. After that, click on Settings. This will take you into the Account Settings area where you can manage important details for your Zapier account. From the Settings menu, select My Profile. This section contains your account information, including the email address connected to your profile. Now find the option that says Change Email and click on it. Zapier will ask you to confirm that it's really you before making any changes. This is a normal security step, especially when you're updating something as important as your email address. When the confirmation prompt appears, click on Confirm it's you. Zapier may then redirect you to continue with Google if your account is connected through Google Sign-in. If that happens, click Continue with Google to verify your identity. Next, you'll see your Google account chooser. Select the Google account you want to use to confirm the change. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you have multiple Google accounts signed in at the same time. After selecting the account, click Continue. At this point, Google may ask you to approve the sign-in or consent screen. Go ahead and click Continue again to finish the verification step. Once the authentication is complete, you'll be returned to Zapier's email settings page. Now, you should see the option to disconnect the current email and enter the new one. Click Disconnect and Change Mail, then follow the prompts to finish updating your email address. Once the change is complete, Zapier will update your account information to the new email you selected, and that's it. You've successfully changed the mail address in Zapier. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.